In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate an audio file into your Google Slides presentation. It's a simple process that enhances your slides, allowing you to provide a more immersive experience for your audience. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to ensure your audio file, whether it's an MP3 or wavy format, is ready and uploaded onto your Google Drive. This is a crucial step because, unlike direct uploads from your computer, Google Slides requires that the audio is already stored on Drive. If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and upload your audio file to your Google Drive. Simply drag and drop the file into your Drive, or click the New button, choose File Upload, and select the audio file from your computer. Once it's uploaded, you're ready to move on to incorporating it into your slide presentation. Next, open Google Slides and navigate to the presentation where you want to add the audio. Click on the specific slide where you wish to insert the sound. This could be a slide where you want to emphasize a point or set the tone. Once you're on the desired slide, head over to the menu at the top of your screen. Locate the Insert tab and from the drop-down menu, select Audio. A dialog box will appear, providing you with a variety of choices from your Google Drive. Here, you can see files from different categories: My Drive, Shared Drives, or Recent. Browse through these sections to find the audio file you uploaded. Once you find the file, click on it to highlight it, then press the Select button. This action links the audio to your slide. After you've selected your audio file, you'll notice a speaker icon appearing on your slide. This icon is quite versatile. You can interact with it by dragging it to different parts of the slide to align it according to your design preferences. Whether you want it prominently displayed or tucked away in a corner, it's entirely up to you. Additionally, you can resize the icon if you need it to fit a specific area of your slide design. Simply click and drag the corners of the icon to adjust its size. This flexibility ensures your slide maintains the visual appeal you're aiming for while including audio. So, that's it. You've successfully added audio to your Google slide. As you can see, these steps are straightforward, yet they open up a new avenue for creatively enhancing your presentations. Including an audio element can elevate the delivery of your content, helping to keep your audience engaged and providing a richer, more dynamic presentation. Now you're all set to captivate your audience with both stunning visuals and harmonious sound. Keep exploring and experimenting with these features to create truly unique and effective presentations.